Our front entry was looking a little worn and tired, so I decided to take it on as a weekend project. Nothing major, just a few small updates to give the door and stoop a fresh look without spending a fortune. The first step I wanted to take was getting rid of these old rails. They were white when we first moved in, and I did spray paint them to match the door, but they've since started chipping pretty badly, and it was just time for them to go. And I actually found out, according to code, we don't actually have to have them. Our stoop is only 22 inches from the ground, so they're not required. We may add some back later, but for now, we're just going to remove them. With the rails gone, it was time to clean things up. The whole porch needed a good sweeping, and this doormat actually, I think, was growing something. Really satisfying to get that out of there. Sometimes all you need is a quick clean, but in this case, our front entry was just lacking something. So it just doesn't have much character. It's a little boring, and I just wanted to add some interest and make it more appealing. As you'll see throughout the video, I was basically able to do this project on my own. I called in my husband a couple times, as you saw, to remove the railing, and also when I was wiring up the light fixture for some support. But most things I was able to do completely on my own, and it really was worth the time it took just in this one weekend to get that done. Not every home update needs to include contractors and long timelines. There are so many easy updates that homeowners can do on their own to make a big difference in just a short amount of time. Switching out hardware, changing out light fixtures, adding in some cool decorative wood elements. These are all things that homeowners can do that will improve the look and feel of their home and make them proud of it without having to involve any outside help. Next up, the door was peeling in some places, so a little bit more peeling to get that excess removed and some sanding to smooth things out because we are going to put on a fresh coat of paint. We chose a new color to brighten things up, and it's amazing just how a coat of paint can make the whole entry feel brand new. There were some dents on this door, but it really helped to get a lighter color with less sheen to help hide those. Next are the fun part, the little details. So we swapped in a new door set, we added a kick plate, we hung a knocker, and put up a fresh address plaque. These are some of those small updates, but they instantly make the entry look more polished and more intentional. All of the hardware seen here can be found on the Van Dyke's website. And if these aren't your style or you don't prefer this finish, there are thousands of other options there for you to choose from. This address plaque I'm putting in really gives a personalized feel. We didn't have the numbers on the front of our home at all, so it was really something we needed, but I was so excited to find such a good quality piece that can stay here forever. Even if we move out, the new owners will be able to have this. And finally, a new light fixture. It just tied everything together. Lighting makes such a difference, not just in the style, but in how welcoming this entry feels. And here it is. In just one weekend and without a huge expense, we completely transformed the look of our front entry. These simple updates are doable for anyone, and they really do make the biggest impact. If you're looking for a weekend project, don't overlook your front door. It's one of the first things people see, and a few easy updates can totally change the feel of it. What's your next weekend project?